Hello everyone, bienvenidos a mi canal. Welcome back to my channel. I am Manya and today's lesson is a very practical lesson guys because we're gonna learn about Qué hora es, what time it is. We will learn everything about it, es la, son las, and also we will learn how to say quarter and how to say 8:30, 8:45, 8:15, everything. So this lesson is going to be a very practical lesson which will make your Spanish sound very natural. So grab your notebooks, let's begin. So the question you already know is really simple. Que hora es? What time it is? So now let's learn how to answer to this question. So to tell the time in Spanish, we mainly use two main phrases. Es la y son las. Es la means it is and son las means they are. Obviously you now know singular and plural, right? So let me give you example. Es la una. It's 1 o'clock. Now guys, here is a Spanish tip. We use es la only for 1 o'clock and for everything else we use son las. Not es la dos. It after 1 o'clock it will be always son las. Okay. Son las dos. It's 2 o'clock. Son las cuatro. It's 4 o'clock. So only esla is used for 1 o'clock and for everything else we use son las, right? Okay, so now the most important part, how do we add minutes? It's really simple. Let me tell you. We just add son las whatever the time you have to say, like son las cuatro. Okay, so son las cuatro, you just have to add tenemos que añadir, we just have to add e. You remember this e I told you, this is called and in Spanish. E and the number. Let me give you example. Here is the 4 examples. Let me write it with you. This is son las dos y cinco. Easy, right? Try these as well in your notebooks. Son las cuatro y 10. You just have to add e and a number. Then this is son las cinco y ocho. And this is son las seis y dos. Easy, very, right? Okay, so now there are two more and very important expressions to tell the time in Spanish, which is quarter and half past, right? So for quarter we use cuarto, not cuatro. Don't get confused between cuatro and cuarto. Cuarto is quarter and cuatro is 4, right? And for half we say media. You remember in that video, diaria, rutina diaria, I said desayuno a las ocho y media, something like that. So in that video also I told it is 8:30 and उसमें मैंने बोला था that a separate video will come on the time. So here I am. Okay, so cuarto for quarter, which is 15 minutes, and media for half, which is 30 minutes. Now let's do these two examples. 3:15 को हम कैसे बोलेंगे? Son las 3 y cuarto. See, इसके साथ you can also use that minutes वाली trick, e plus minutes, but you can also say tres, son las 3 y 15. But that is very normal, to sound native and to sound professional, you should know these expressions, which will make you sound that you are very, good in Spanish and everything. So to describe, to increase your personality, you should use these. Now this one, son las 6 y media. Simple, right? It is very easy. You can just, literally say E plus minutes to tell the time. जी. So now you must be thinking that 15 कर लिया, 30 कर लिया. What about 45? And what about the other time like 4:40, 8:50? So let's get back to this also. In Spanish, instead of adding the numbers, we minus them. Menos, which means minus. See with some examples. 7:45 means son las ocho menos cuatro. Ocho menos cuatro. 8 minus 15. Right? 15 minutes left to 8. So ocho menos cuarto. Then 8:50 is son las nueve menos diez. 9 बजने में 10 मिनट रहते हैं. तो हम टाइम ऐड करने के बजाय उसे माइनस करेंगे. 9 बजने से 10 मिनट पहले. Nueve menos diez. Then what about 4:40? Son las cinco menos veinte. 5 minutes to 20 minutes to 5. So cinco menos veinte. You will get used to it once you start practicing these. सो आपको टाइम इस ढंग से भी बताना आना चाहिए कि ये सुबह के 8 बज रहे हैं या रात के बज रहे हैं. तो उसके लिए भी वी हैव सम फ्रेजेस लाइक देला mañana, which means in the morning. De la tarde, in the afternoon. You already know this, right? You people are very intelligent, I know. And de la noche, in the night. So we will, अगर हम सुबह का टाइम बता रहे हैं तो son las ocho de la mañana, या रात का बता रहे हैं तो son las ocho de la noche. वेरी इजी ना. सब जब इतना सब कुछ कर ही लिया है तो थोड़े से एक्स्ट्रा एक्सप्रेशंस और कर लेते हैं. A tiempo, on which means on time. Temprano, early. And tarde, late. Siempre llego a tiempo. I always reach on time. A veces llego temprano o tarde. You can use either temprano or tarde. A veces means sometimes. I reach early or late. Temprano for early and tarde for late. So now you can ask the time and also respond to other people like a native. Okay, G, that's how you talk about time in Spanish. Comment down below, ¿Qué hora es ahora? What time is it when you're watching this video? And also don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel for more such lessons, and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.